This time it's a Western Digital Passport Classic 4 TB SMR HDD data recovery. USB connection to the computer only shows the drive letter but no capacity. After connecting the HDD to the computer, severe lag occurs. A very common issue of bad sectors or translator problems. First, download and install the drivers and software for the MRT equalizer. Check the COM port assigned to the equalizer via Device Manager. In the equalizer software, select COM6 and connect. Power on the HDD to test its initialization status. It now displays ID and capacity normally. However, the firmware locks must be removed before acquiring firmware information. Return to the equalizer software and turn on the ROM read power switch. First, read a 32K file to test if the reading passes. After success, read the full ROM data. For WD Mobile SMR HDDs, the ROM size is typically 512K, except for 1 TB models. After successful reading, load the HDD's original ROM in the family panel. Select the corresponding PCB number to perform ROM unlocking. During unlocking, check Disable 411 to generate an unlocked ROM with the 411 bypass feature. Load the unlocked ROM with the equalizer software and write it to the chip. Then, turn off the ROM read switch and restart the HDD power to access the firmware area. Normal head test results indicate the issue lies in the secondary translator or concentrated bad sectors in the partition table. First, back up the HDD's firmware. After completion, open 411 and reset the power to read T2 data from the RAM. Once T2 data is acquired, view the current translator data size in the log interface. The parsed data shows this drive has 3,678 GB. Enter the copying interface and load the backed up T2 file to perform head separation. Under read-only conditions, the drive directory expands normally. Here, select a newly added feature in the current version. Create valid sector bitmap for marked items. This enables creating a dedicated copy bitmap interface for selected files only. Then we can start cloning the target files.